In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Workspace email. We'll start by getting you signed in, then walk through the essential apps you'll use every day alongside your email, so everything works smoothly together. First, head to the Google Workspace website and sign in using your Gmail address or your company email. Once you're in, you'll see the main apps available to you. Think of Gmail as your home base and the other tools, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Meet, and Calendar, as the supporting pieces that keep your communication and files organized. Open Gmail to send your first message. Click Compose, type the recipient's email address, add a clear subject, and write your message. When you're ready, click Send. Keep your tone professional and consider short paragraphs for readability. If you're following up on something stored in Drive, you can attach it or share a link to keep everything connected. Next, open Google Drive to store and organize files. Click the new button to upload files or create folders. A simple folder structure like clients, projects, or internal will save you time later. Right-click any file to share it, rename it, download a copy, or move it to a different folder. This is where you'll manage access to content you reference in your emails. For documents, create a Google Doc directly from Drive by clicking New and selecting Google Docs. Start typing. Your work saves automatically as you go, so you won't lose progress. You can share a document with colleagues, leave comments for feedback, and collaborate in real time, which is perfect when you're drafting emails, proposals, or notes together. When you need spreadsheets, create a new Google Sheet, enter data in rows and columns, then use simple formulas to analyze it. For example, XSUM A1A10 adds up a range, and AS average A1A10 calculates an average. These basics are great for trackers, budgets, and quick reports you might later summarize in an email. For meetings, open Google Meet and click New Meeting. Share the meeting link with participants, then join using your microphone and camera. This integrates well with your email and calendar invites, keeping communication seamless. Finally, open Google Calendar to schedule your work. Click a date and time, add an event title, invite people, and save. Your guests will receive an email with the details. When sharing any file from Drive, right-click the file, choose Share, add email addresses, set their role as viewer, commenter, or editor, and click Send. Choosing the right permission helps protect your work while enabling collaboration. That's your Google Workspace email setup and the core tools you'll use alongside it.